All right, if sometimes we have trouble with the iPad or the Square, you can always use push press to do charges, all right? I'm just gonna show you how to do that really quick. If the person is in our system already, it's really easy. So again, grab your phone and you would go under the person's name. So under search people, you can type in their name. Here's mine, and they will pop up. Go to the bottom, and under here it says create charge. So I would create a charge, and this screen would pop up. From here, I would add the little plus button, go under product, and they can, have all of our different products are listed: Nocos, FitAids, shirts, jump ropes, Corksicles, whatever. Blender bottles, you'd pick something, you would put how many they want and add invoice item. From here, you would make the payment immediately, all right, if you're charging someone on your phone directly. Because if you don't do that, it's not going to charge. It's going to stay open as an open invoice. So I would go make payment, and from there, their preferred payment method will be listed, whatever credit card it is. Use that and then make the payment. Boom, submit payment, and you would be good to go. And that's it.